Welcome to the Grand Mariner. What an amazing location. Your 11th floor apartment is only 300 metres from the surf beach. Imagine the rising sun every morning across the Pacific Ocean. Or you're a short walk up to Tedder Avenue with its restaurants, bars, boutique stores, an amazing location. Or you could catch the fast and efficient G train north to Australia Fair or south to Surfers Paradise and Pacific Fair. It really is a fantastic location, yet you're still only 30 minutes from the airport. And once a year, you're in pole position from your balcony overlooking the Gold Coast 500. It really is an amazing location.
Not only is it a fantastic location, but the facilities are world class. We have a 2,000 square metre lagoon pool, an indoor heated lap pool, an outdoor spa, an indoor spa, 2 saunas, even an ice bath.
We look forward to showing off this fantastic opportunity to you.